Hello everyone, welcome to the code chapter. This first problem is black to play, and the objective in this section is to make a code. And actually calling the entire section the code section makes a lot of the problems easier, because in real games, you do not know whether it's a living shape or a code, right? You have to calculate yourself. Sometimes code is not the best answer. Sometimes you can make a full living shape instead of having to go through a code. But here in this section, some of these questions are made much easier when you're told that the best result you can achieve is a code. So I think that applies to this question. And the common way to make a code here in the corner with this shape is to play this. And then white will try to decrease black's eye space. But right here, black can make a code. And white will capture first. So if black manages to capture back, and if white connects this stone, black will be able to live like this, right? Now black will have two eyes. So number 9 will finish the living shape. If white wins the code, of course, then black is all dead here in the corner. So this is why it is a code. And black's other moves will not succeed. So if black plays here, then this becomes a problem for white. And the simple answer here is to decrease black's eye space. White will play here, and no matter what black does, there's not enough eye space to live. Or if black tries this, then white will play this. If you're a beginner, you might be wondering if white can contain black in this shape, right? Black will capture this, and in order to kill black, white must play this to destroy this eye. And what if black escapes? Then do not worry, white can play this, right? Atari, black cannot go here. So black can only capture, and white will be able to capture like this. So black will still be dead. It cannot escape. About some other moves, the result is the same. White will just try to decrease black's eye space. If black makes an eye here, then still this is not enough to make a real eye. So black will still be dead this way. So once again, because this is a code problem, and the easy way to make a code in this shape is this. It's actually very common in real games. If you want to make a code, do this. If you have more time to calculate, then you should try to calculate if there's a way to make a living shape. If not, then just play the code, and it still counts as a success. Thank you for watching.